Okay, so yeah, I'm recording this video. Okay, so in this video, I will do a question which is remove outermost parenthesis. So this is a very famous question of LeetCode. You can see it is an easy type of question, and it has asked in lot of companies. It has been asked in a lot of companies, and let's see what is written here. A valid parenthesis string is either empty, or it can be empty, or it is string inside this a parenthesis plus a plus another parenthesis inside a string. Okay, or a plus b, where a and b are valid parenthesis string. So see, these a and b are valid parenthesis string. So here you can see this a is a valid parenthesis string. Valid parenthesis string means we have something like this. These are valid parentheses, these are valid parentheses. So string of this, wait, let me show you. So this is a very tough language to understand, really. This is not an easy language to decode. That's why this, or most of the people find this question tough, but it is not that tough, believe me. So see, this we have this. Suppose this is a. A is a valid parenthesis string, and this is inside another bracket, another two brackets. So this is like, it is like this, this and this. So this example is telling you this thing. Can you see this example? This this whole two brackets, inside that a is there. So that a is this thing. A is a valid parenthesis string, which is this. See, I am selecting this. A is this, the selected portion, and these two parentheses are this, the outermost brackets, and b is also like this a. Okay, for example, this you can see this, a valid parenthesis string s is primitive if it is not empty. So if it is not empty, it's a primitive string, nothing else, and there doesn't exist a way to split it into s is equals to a plus b. So you cannot split it into a and b, both non-empty and valid parenthesis string. Okay, given valid parenthesis string, consider its primitive decomposition. Okay, so it cannot be decomposed further. This means that. So okay, so see this example. We have a string like this: first bracket, second bracket, third bracket, close. So these two bracket are complete. Then again a bracket, bracket close. So this is a complete string A. Okay, and this is also a complete string. You can see bracket, bracket, inside that a bracket, pair of bracket. So yeah, so we have to remove outermost parenthesis of this and this. Can you see this? So if we remove outermost parenthesis of this, we will find this, and if you remove outermost parenthesis of this, you will find this single bracket. So let me show you in a whiteboard. So sorry, I will write everything with mouse. I do not have stylus. So, okay, so see, I'm taking that example only. One, two, and one, a pair of bracket inside it. Okay, and after that again a pair of bracket inside it. Okay, and then a pair of outer bracket. Okay, and after that pair of bracket inside it, and this. So see, this is my s, this whole thing is my s. Can you see this? So now what we will do, so when you get these type of question, parenthesis question and a pattern type of question, where you have to check something like this: remove outermost parenthesis or follow the last two parentheses, like this question, this type of pattern building question, you always think about stack. Okay, so let me show you. Suppose this is my outer stack. Let me give this a naming. So this is a, or you can say 1. Okay, and so this is my first bracket, open bracket, open means 1. Remove this a, I'm removing this 1. Okay, and inside it I have a nested pair of bracket, so I will name it 2. I got a pair of 2. So now, okay, these are the both the pairs of bracket. Okay, again. Okay, so this is also a pair. I got a 2, so 2 is removed. Again, I got a second pair. Again, second pair is removed. Now, I again get back to first pair. So let me show you in a more clear way. This is a confusing way. You cannot, I don't think you can understand from this. let me show you in a stack way. So suppose this is my stack. Okay, and see what I will do here. I found this bracket. Okay, but what I will do, I will not push because this is my first bracket. I know this will open, and after that I have a bracket. I will push it. I found its pair. I will pop it, check if this and this pair matches. So I have this pair and I will pop this pair. If these both are matching pair of each other, yes. So stack is again empty. Stack will become like this. Again I found this pair. I will make it into my this stack, and now I found its pair. I will pop it and check it. If these both are pair of each other, yes, they are pair of each other. Then my again stack become empty. Now I find this. See. So here we can do what is. Let me tell you. So okay, I got it. Wait, let me remove it. Yes. Let me tell you my approach of doing this question. There can be many approaches, and I will show you two approaches to do this question. There can many more, but I will show you two approaches. And see this. See, suppose we have this stack. Okay, so we will push the first bracket in it. So first bracket is what? This opening bracket. Okay, and we will then push second bracket in it. Now stack dot length is 2. Now we got a closing bracket, so we will check is this equal to my top bracket. So top bracket means I will pop the topmost element of my stack and I will check is this equals to this thing. Yes, it is equal. Means it is a pair of these both are pair of each other. So what I will do, I will make my stack like this. My stack will become this only. Wait, my stack will become this. That will be popped out from the stack. Stack will again become this thing. Okay, again I got a pair. See this. Again I got a pair. Again I will push it into my stack. Again I got its pair. Oh, closing pair. So again I pop it. I'll pop it. Check if these both are matching pair. Yes, these both are matching pair. So again my stack will look like this. Now I will do what? So see, now if I push this, so I got a closing pair. If I so I got a closing pair, I will pop this out and check if these both are matching. Yes, these both are matching. So stack dot length. Now you see stack is totally empty. Okay, can you see this? So okay, now do it with this. I will pop this into my stack. I will pop this into my stack. Go push into my stack. Now I got a closing pair. I'll pop this into my from my stack. Again I pop this from my stack. See, again my stack is length is empty. So we have to do this kind of thing. Hope you got an idea how to do it. So what I will do, if my stack dot length is 1, I will not push this bracket into my string. Okay. If my stack dot length is greater than 1, I will push these brackets into my string. See this. Let me show you. Let str is equals to uh, so this is a string. This str is a string which we are gonna return. This is the output string. See this. We'll have some condition of pushing it into the stack and into the string. And let stack is equals to array. In JavaScript we have this array. In other languages you can see how to make stack. Like in Java we have a stack class. In C we have a stack function or what I don't know right now. So in Python we have list as a stack. So okay. So for let I is equals to 0. Okay, and I less than what? I will less than what? Uh, wait, s dot length and I plus plus. So yes, okay, and I plus plus and I is less than s dot length. Now what I will check some condition. If my s of I, yes, s of I will be this bracket initially. Okay, is a opening bracket. I will do what? I will stack dot push it s of I. Now what? Now see, I am doing this. I have made I have made a stack here. Stack. Suppose this S is a stack, and I'm doing what my code is doing. I have pushed it here. See, my first bracket is this. According to my code, if my bracket is this, I'm pushing it. Okay, I'm pushing it. So see the output. Do I need to push this bracket and output? If I push it, my output will become wrong. Yes. If I push this bracket, see this bracket. If I push this bracket into my stack, my output will become wrong. Yes. So I don't need to push it. So is there any condition by which by checking that condition I cannot push it? So yes, now I am pushing this s of I into my stack. My stack dot length is 1. See, s dot length is equals to what? 1. See, now my stack is dot length is 1. So when my stack dot length is 1, I don't need to push it into my string. See, if stack dot length is greater than 1, I'm writing the opposite uh, statement of that. Okay, stack dot str plus is equals to s of I. So right now my stack dot length is 1. See here, stack dot length is 1. It is not greater than 1. So str will contain nothing right now. Str will be empty. Again, I got a pair of bracket. So according to my code, yes, this is equals to this. This bracket and this bracket are equal. Yes. So I'll push it into my stack. My stack dot length is 2 right now. So it will check a stack dot length is greater than 1. Yes, it is greater than 1. So what this code will do? This will push that s of I into str. Now my str will like this. Suppose str is this. Str. See, I know my writing is too bad here, and it's very hard to type to write with mouse. So str will be like this s of I. This str will be this. And now comes my popping condition. Wait. I should write this inside my if. Okay. Why I'm writing this inside my stack if statement? Because I have to do this right after pushing. Okay. I don't want to check any other condition. You can write this outer. I don't know how it will become. I will try it. And uh, else what we will do means if this is not a this bracket, then it must be a closing bracket. So if we got a closing bracket, then what we will do, we will push it into the string or stack. Okay, we'll push it into the stack, and we will pop our element out from here like this. We will check if these both are equal. So let me pop it. Str dot wait, not stack dot pop. This is my topmost element. I will name it to let top is equals to, we got a top element. If top is equals to not is equals to if uh, we got a top like this, top is equals to if str wait, stack dot pop. So see, here we don't need to do this condition checking. Why? See, if we are popping this out, we have only one bracket condition. So if this is not a opening bracket, then it should be a closing bracket. So they will match, definitely match. So we just need to pop str dot pop and wait, let top store it. You know why? Because we are going to push it. Str plus is equals to top. That's why we are storing it. Because if I do str dot pop right now, I will lost it. I have to store it somewhere. Okay, and str plus is equals to top. So see the behavior of this code. I'm popping it, and now my stack will become like this. It's kind of messy thing. Okay, So stack again have a single bracket. Again this comes in. So again my length will become 2. This will be pushed into str, and again what happens? Its opposite partner comes here. Again this will be popped. Again my length is 1. See, again my length is 1. So let me do it here. Again my length is 1. Again my length is 1. Okay, and again see, now my length is 1, and now I got a closing pair. So see, now I got a closing pair. I will pop this out, and see, I will pop this out and check these both are equal. Yes, they will be equal, because if a closing pair, then opening pair will be this only, because we have only two pair of bracket. And but now my length will become 0. Yes, can you see this? So I don't want to push it into the string. Yes, so before pushing it into the string, I should check that after before popping, my length should not be 1, because see here when I was popping, my length is 1. My length should be 2 before popping. So before popping, I should check it. Uh, Wait, see, if str.length, I'm copying this condition. If str.length is greater than 1, then pop it. Then you can pop. Extract the top element, means popping, and then str. Else do not pop. Else do not pop it. Else I'll do nothing. So before running it, let me check what is the my str. Console.log. So this checking thing is very good. It is the best practice. You should also check this every time your code is running. See what we are getting. So this is behaving totally opposite way, in a opposite way. Why? Let me see. Okay. I'm extracting the top element. Okay, I shouldn't do that. I should only extract the top element, and I should store str inside str what? S of I. See this. Yes. Now I think I'm correct. I'm running it, and let's see how this will work. It should work fine, or it is not working fine. Okay. So see this. Here we are doing a mistake. Okay. What mistake? Let me see. Uh, my bracket. Okay, these two brackets are not there. So till here our output is right. Till here. After that it is not working in a right way. So okay. So after that it will pop it. Str.length is 1. See here str.length is 1. Okay, and it popped it out. Yes, greater than 1. And now, and suppose when we had two brackets, see this, see this condition. Suppose we have two brackets in stack. This pop condition will check if str.length is greater than 1. Yes, it is greater than 1. So this will pop it out, and this will append this bracket into str. Okay, it will append this means this bracket to str. Will pop when bracket is this. So let me remove it. This bracket to str. This will push this bracket into str. This is a kind of tricky question. So and we'll do stack dot pop. Okay. Yes. And now suppose we are popping this. Now our stack is like this. Yes. I got why my code was not working. Now I will have to pop this thing also. Stack dot pop. Else let me do it. Stack dot pop. If it is not this, stack dot pop. Yes. I hope this will work fine now. Yes, see, this is working fine. I got my output here. I've got my output here as well. What I want. Yes. So now I just need to return this. Return str. So I think I have done it right. See, sometimes I even don't know, and it happens with all of us. Sometimes we do not know what will be the solution, but we have to dry running it is the best thing, and you should always do it. So thank you so much.